In order to secure Sean Diddy Combs' release from jail prior to his trial, his legal team has submitted an appeal. Court documents received indicate that the filing was submitted in the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit on Tuesday, October 8th by Alexander A.E. Shapiro, the attorney for the mogul. The defendant Combs was not released pending trial, even though he offered to comply with restrictive conditions that would have prevented any conceivable risk of flight or danger, the court document said in part. Shapiro claims in the lawsuit that the court breached its duty under the Bond Reform Act by denying Combs a bond package that was clearly enough for his release. He went to tremendous lengths to indicate that he meant to contend with the charges and not run away from them. He offered a bail package that would clearly prevent him from getting in touch with any witnesses or posing a threat to anyone by any means. According to the Bail Reform Act, liberty is the norm, and confinement prior to trial or without trial is the narrowly limited exception to this rule. Combs, who is 54 years old, was taken into custody at a hotel in Manhattan at 8:25 p.m. on September 16th. Racketeering and transportation to engage in prostitution were the charges that were brought against him. It is the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn that is currently housing him. Combs' bail was denied by the Southern District of New York earlier this week, owing to allegations of witness tampering and obstruction of justice. The appeal that was filed on Tuesday challenges this judgment. According to the request of his legal team, he should be freed immediately under the necessary bail conditions. On September 17th, a federal court granted Combs bail for the first time. The next day, September 18th, his legal team filed an appeal and appeared in court the next day. Another occasion, he was not granted bail by Judge L. of the SDNY. Carter, who stated that there is no condition or combination of requirements that guarantees he will not interfere with the administration of justice or tamper with witnesses who testify. A week after filing a notice of intent to appeal on September 30th, 2 weeks after Combs' arrest, Shapiro has now filed an appeal following his decision.